If your clothes keep coming out soaking wet, but you know the dryer's on, you might have a spinning problem. Let's get to the bottom of it. First, check if your dryer is getting power. Make sure it's plugged in and the circuit breaker isn't tripped. Still not spinning? Open the door and try turning the drum by hand. If it moves easily, the belt could be broken. The belt wraps around the drum and helps it spin. When it snaps or slips off, the drum just won't turn. Another common issue is a faulty door switch. The dryer won't work if it thinks the door's open, even if it's shut tight. Listen for a click when you close the door. No click might mean a broken switch. Also, check the start switch. If pressing start gives you silence, the switch might be bad. Lastly, worn-out drum rollers or motor problems can stop the drum too. These might need a professional, but don't worry, most repairs are quick and affordable. Remember, safety first. Always unplug before checking inside. Still stuck? Call a pro to get your Amana dryer spinning again. Thanks for watching, and good luck.